it?
Oh my gosh.
4, Keith?
Keith, your father asked you a question.
What, Trey?
Keith!
What's that for?
Daddy?
I said, what's that for?
It's
like
for
20
my paper
times.
jam. You
Oh,
hook
for
it up
belt?
to the paper jam, you put it around your neck and go bam. You don't. If you don't have it, you just put it on. I like this one with it. Ready to go. Oh, it goes to our paper jams. Oh my gosh, I got a Nintendo DS.
Uh-huh.
I got this.
Say thank you, Mama and Daddy.
This?
Yes.
Who do you think got it? Who do you think got it for you?
Love you, Mama. I love you too, Daddy.
Ow, you just hit me in the head with it.
Ryan!
It's even blue. Or trash. Paper jam. Keep forget to push buttons. Thanks, Trace. You're welcome.
You didn't find the fourth one?
Uh-uh.
What? What do you mean?
No way. Lego. I got Mario Kart on the beat.
It's not Mario Kart Wii, it's Mario Kart DS.
Yeah. Awesome. I got Lego.
Woot woot.
Please. See?
Whoa.
Lego please.
Hayden, you open your
Lego
present.
please.
Come on, Hayden.
Lego Space Police.
Get a present and bring it to Daddy.
Keep.
Okay.
Open it up, baby.
Open it up. Open it. Woo!
100.
That's from Nanny K.
Tonka truck. Tonka truck. Look at it. Oh, the little one.
Mama, look what I got. The second Ben 10. Is
Cool.
that from you?
Yeah?
Thank you, guys.
Unless it says otherwise, the
Daddy's
gold
here.
star paper is from me and Daddy.
And Trace.
Unless it says something else on there, it's from me and Daddy.
Keith.
Hayden, open up another present.
Game.
That's Keith's.
As a
Whoa.
That's Keith's, Trace.
Daddy and Mama.
That's Keith's for the 4th time.
Thank you, Mama and
Get
Daddy.
another one.
Oh my God. Daddy, look what this.
That's from Nanny K, Trace.
I know. He's a in the future sweater there.
Thank you. Yay. Can I play
Hey,
this
open it.
DS today, Mama?
We will see what the instructions say.
Oh,
I got a G.I.
Wow.
Joe.
the
I
shirt.
got a G.I. Joe. And I got pants.
Okay, open up. Get another one then. Get another one. Get another one.
Get another present, baby.
Mama,
Hayden,
this.
they're all toys.
Daddy, he had pants.
From Granny and Granddad.
Baby, grab.
And more pants in
Here,
that
grab
bag.
something else.
I got
These are all clothes. You can already tell. Here, grab something else. Grab a box.
Grab a box. That's from Granny and Granddad, Hayden.
I got 3.
Here, open it up right here. Whoa. Open it.
What is
Come
that?
on, get it.
Oh, Phineas and
What is
Ferb.
it? Get it. Tear it off.
Oh, you got the book of Phineas and Ferb.
That's
More
from Miss
Tonka
Brittany and
trucks.
Mr. Adam.
More Tonka trucks.
Ow. What the?
Not yet. You have to open all of them.
He's like, I don't like this whole concept.
Get another box.
I got another one.
Cool.
Get another one, Hayden. Hayden,
Trace
get another
got
one.
this. Oh, wait, Mom, I already got one.
Here,
Too
get it.
bad.
Oh, sweet.
Keep going.
All of these guys are good guys, and the other ones are bad guys. Yay, now I got plans. You can be the good guys.
More Tonka trucks.
Woo!
See? Come on, get another one. Hayden,
Sounds like
get another
Lego.
box.
Oh
What's
my
that one?
God. Oh my God. I got the Video game what?
That's a DVD, Trace.
Oh, DVD. I love you, Mama
Okay,
and
baby.
Daddy. Thank you for Lego Hero Factory. I got this guy. Oh my gosh, look what it can do.
Hayden.
That's from
Baby
Nana and
Einstein
Papa.
Book.
Mom,
Baby Einstein
What was
book.
that?
Look,
DVD
listen, and
from-
discover.
From me and Daddy. It's Dungeons and Dragons.
thank you.
Here, get another one. Get another present. Hayden, get another book. Get
I
another
got a
one. Here,
helicopter,
put it here.
parade, and a
Get
boat.
another one.
Is that from Nanny K?
Daddy, look what it is.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, I
Let's see
love
what
it.
this is, Hayden.
That's
Get
from
it.
Mama and Daddy.
I put it from.
Keith, you need
What
to
is
take your
it?
trash and put it in the trash bag over here.
What is it? Uh-oh. Open, open, hurry. Hurry.
Yes. Oh.
Get it.
Hey, you can always use more
Come
Phineas
on,
and
get
Ferb.
it.
Daddy, what's that?
Woo!
Who is that, Hayden? Woo!
Dump truck.
Keep the trash.
It's a big truck.
Awesome. A little gumball machine.
That's from Mama and Daddy.
Thank you, Mom and Daddy.
You're welcome.
Gumball machine. Do
Get another
you
one,
like-
Hayden.
I don't think so.
Nobody. You just
Another present.
break it and
Get it, Tito.
You got a gumball.
Get the mousey.
Then
Here.
we can
Come on.
share it. Yeah, we could share that thing. That's
Oh.
not just.
Whoa.
It's not